Alright guys, welcome back to another brand new video. Hope you guys are all doing well today. Yes, I do want to talk about Bitcoin, give you guys an update. What is happening right now with Bitcoin, of course, because Bitcoin right now is not really moving. I know a lot of you guys, okay, are very impatient. Let's be honest, okay? A lot of you guys are very impatient, but I am here to tell you guys, okay, this is a great opportunity right now to buy as much Bitcoin as you possibly can. Understand, guys, this is a gift. This is truly a blessing right now. Bitcoin is still below $100,000, right? So while Bitcoin is still below 100K, I told you guys to simply just buy and accumulate as much Bitcoins as you possibly can because, guys, soon enough, right, understand, we're going to see Bitcoin, okay, reaching back up to $100,000 and, of course, reaching back up to its previous high of $108,000 and, of course, reaching a new high. Eventually, that's going to happen very soon, guys. Remember, we are, in fact, in a bull market. We are, in fact, in a bull run. So soon enough, guys, okay, we're going to see Bitcoin bounce back up, right, to $100,000 and higher. Okay, so take this as a blessing to buy Bitcoin, okay, as much as you possibly can while it's still below 100K, right? So I want to talk about Bitcoin. I want to, give you guys a little update what's happening with the crypto markets today. And there is, in fact, a fair few Bitcoin charts that I do want to show you guys for today's video. So let's begin. So Bitcoin right now, okay, $95,000. Looking pretty good today, right? Bitcoin is still holding very steadily, okay, and I get it, right? Bitcoin, you guys can clearly see, right? A lot of you guys are wondering what is happening right now with Bitcoin, but it don't matter what's happening right now with Bitcoin, right? Yes, short term, okay, we saw Bitcoin having this correction. Okay, remember, guys, when we had this correction, we pretty much had the Fed rate cuts. Okay, and that caused Bitcoin and pretty much the entire crypto market to crash, even the entire stock market to crash. There was a lot of, liquidations. And ever since then, right, Bitcoin and other altcoins have just been holding pretty steadily, right? You just clearly see that. And remember, guys, right, Bitcoin is still above $92,000. And 92K is Bitcoin's support level, right? You just clearly see every single time Bitcoin, okay, goes to this level, okay, goes back down to this level of 92K, it always bounces back up. So you guys clearly see Bitcoin is still above $92,000. Okay, if Bitcoin were to, break, right, this support level, okay, for breakdown, then yes, that's when I will be worried because that's when we will most likely see Bitcoin dropping further down to the downside. And that could happen, who knows, right? We could potentially see Bitcoin dropping, back down to a 92K, even breaking that support level and then drop further down to the downside, right? Anything can happen. Okay, but so far Bitcoin is still, above, okay, the support level. So it's still looking pretty good, right, for Bitcoin. Still holding very steadily. Okay, you guys clearly see that. But once again, guys, when in doubt, zoom out. And remember, right, Bitcoin is still looking amazing. Okay, remember, guys, okay, we had the US election. Okay, and when we had the US election, we saw Bitcoin reaching a new all-time high like every single day, right? Look at this. Okay, look at these beautiful weekly candles for Bitcoin, right? Remember, guys, okay, November was a fantastic month for crypto. Okay, it really was, right? Bitcoin was reaching a new all-time high every single day. We saw a lot of altcoins pumping. We saw meme coins pumping, right? It was a great month. But understand, we haven't seen anything yet, okay? This is just the beginning of the bull run, guys, of the bull market, right? So understand Bitcoin is going to go much higher, as we know. Okay, so there is nothing to be worried about, guys. Okay, and there is, in fact, a fair few charts that I want to show you guys, okay, for Bitcoin. Just to show you guys that, we should not be worried at all for Bitcoin. Now, the market today is slightly up 1%. Okay, we're not seeing huge movements right now for Bitcoin. Okay, even Ethereum slightly up 1%. Okay, just below $3,400 today for Ethereum. Still a great buy right now for Ethereum, right? It really is. Remember, guys, okay, a couple of weeks ago, we saw Ethereum, over $4,000, $4,100, like over a week ago. And yeah, now it's back down, just below $3,400. So this is obviously, great time right now to, buy some Ethereum and many more other altcoins as well, right? Some alts today are moving. Okay, Solana is moving today. BNB is moving today. Dogecoin is moving today as well. You know, we are in fact seeing a fair few, you know, alts slightly moving today. Okay, but nothing too major. Okay, so we are in fact seeing some greens right for the past 24 hours for a lot of altcoins, but we're not seeing huge moves today, right? So everything is still holding, you know, pretty steadily, right? And look at this, guys. Okay, Bitcoin monthly returns, we are now back in the reds. Okay, and we pretty much have 3 more days, okay, till you know, the New Year's of 2025. Okay, so we have less than, you know, 3 days left into, you know, the year 2024, and then we're going to enter the new month, the new year of 2025. And that's when, you know, I really do believe it's going to be a fantastic time for Bitcoin and crypto, as we know, right? 2025 will be a fantastic year. Okay, not just for crypto, even for the stock market, for gold, right? For even, you know, real estate, right? All those things are gonna pump, guys. Okay, so be ready for that. But yeah, right now Bitcoin is in the reds, down over 1%, 1.2%. Do I think it's gonna switch to the greens? Okay, when we end off this month of December, maybe. We'll just have to see. Now, altcoins. Okay, let's talk about this real quick before I move to Bitcoin. As we know, guys, okay, soon enough, we're going to see the Bitcoin dominance drop, and that's when alt season will begin. So, yes, clearly see, cup and handle pattern, okay, is formed, okay, for, you know, the crypto total market cap chart, right? And soon enough, we're going to see a breakout, okay, very soon, guys. Okay, we're going to see the Bitcoin dominance drop, then we're going to see altcoin dominance rise, okay? And as we know, guys, every single time, okay, we see Bitcoin dominance dropping, that's when alt season does begin. So understand, guys, very soon, we're going to see a lot of these altcoins in the crypto market, right? The large caps, even the low caps, they're going to skyrocket. And understand, guys, okay, please understand, a lot of these altcoins, okay, in the crypto market, okay, they will reach back up to their previous cycle high, okay, their previous all-time high, and of course, even reach a new high. Okay, not all these altcoins will do that, okay, but majority of these altcoins will do that. Okay, please understand that, guys. So get into altcoins if you guys haven't already. Okay, so that is that. And I know a lot of people out there, okay, you guys are most likely investing into altcoins more than Bitcoin, right? Which is fine. I understand that, right? You guys want to find the next 10x, 20x, 30x, 50x, even 100x. I get that. You know, you can no longer do that with Bitcoin, right? Especially, you know, 100x. Okay, I get that. So a lot of people are in fact looking into altcoins. So this is a great opportunity right now to get into altcoins, because a lot of these altcoins are very cheap, guys. Okay, a lot of these altcoins are still undervalued. A lot of these altcoins are still nowhere near back up to their previous cycle high. It's still a great time right now to get into alts, right? It really is, guys. Okay, if you simply want to make money in crypto, you better get in now. Okay, because in the next, you know, 6 months, 8 months, 10 months, as I told you guys, right, it's going to be an amazing time, okay, for altcoins, including Bitcoin, right? So that is that. Now, getting into Bitcoin, starting off with this chart, right? Embrace corrections, guys, okay, in a bull run, right? Nothing goes up forever. Understand, guys, even during a bull run, right, during a bull market, we're going to see corrections. You know, corrections, okay, volatility is normal, right? In, you know, for Bitcoin, right, and crypto in general, right? This is completely normal, guys. When we see corrections, we should not be fearful. We should be taking these opportunities as a gift to buy more, right, to accumulate more. Okay, don't panic, guys. Right, do not panic and understand, right, looking at these charts, okay, for Bitcoin, right, these patterns and these corrections, this is completely normal. You know, last bull market back in 2021, you guys can clearly see we saw Bitcoin skyrocketing, right? Look at this beautiful uptrend, right, that Bitcoin did form. And during this uptrend, you guys can clearly see we saw corrections. Okay, so understand, guys, pullbacks, corrections, crashes, red days are completely normal. It's not going to go up forever, guys. Just because we are in fact seeing a bull market, okay, we are in fact in a bull run, it does not mean every single day is going to be a green day, right? We're going to see red days along the way, okay? This is completely normal, guys. So understand Bitcoin right now is in fact having a pullback. It's having a correction, okay? And this is completely normal. Understand it will eventually bounce back up, okay? And of course, reach a new high. And this uptrend will continue up to the upside. That's what I want you guys to understand. This is why, guys, I don't want you guys to be worried. You know, a lot of people are wondering what's happening right now with Bitcoin. Okay, nothing is happening right now with Bitcoin. Do not be worried. Okay, understand right? This is completely normal to have corrections. Just remember, guys, last month, Bitcoin went from literally $70,000 all the way to, $100,000 in less than a month time. Well, not less than a month time, but like, I think it was like a couple of weeks time, right? Maybe like over a month time. Just think about that. I felt like Bitcoin went from $80,000. Okay, I felt like Bitcoin went from $70,000 all the way to over $90,000. I felt like we skipped those 80K levels. That's what I felt like. Do you guys realize that? Right? Like we were in those 80K levels. Like I felt like Bitcoin went from 80K to 90K in like a couple of days. That's because, last month we saw Bitcoin reaching a new all-time high every single day. It was hard to keep up with the Bitcoin price because it just kept rising, guys. Right? So understand, it's completely normal. It's understandable why Bitcoin is having a correction right now, right? Let Bitcoin breathe, guys. Right? And I bet you guys, a lot of you guys were begging for a Bitcoin dip. Okay, I bet you guys were like, I'm begging for Bitcoin to drop right now so I can buy Bitcoin below 100K. And here it is, right? Bitcoin is now below $100,000. Take this as an opportunity to buy now, guys, because soon enough, we're going to see Bitcoin reaching back up to its previous highs of $108,000, even reaching a new high very, very soon. So take this as an opportunity, guys, okay, to buy more Bitcoin, right? Now, looking at this chart, guys, okay, Bitcoin, okay, is about to make its move. Okay, soon enough, right, we're going to see Bitcoin, okay, reaching back up to its previous high and, of course, reach a new high. Okay, so, Q4, okay, of 2024 this year is going to be a fantastic time, right, for Bitcoin. Same with what happened, in 2020, same with 2016, right? And of course, okay, throughout 2017, 2021, those were some fantastic time for Bitcoin, of course, as we know, because that's when we're, in fact, in the bull market. And that's what's going to happen for the year 2025. Understand, guys, right? Next year, 2025, will be a fantastic year for Bitcoin and crypto. Okay, as we know, 2021, 2017, even all the way back in 2013, those were some fantastic years for Bitcoin and crypto. And that's because we were, in fact, in a bull market, right? So the same exact thing is going to happen for the year 2025. So be ready for that, guys. Okay, be ready for the year 2025. Now, look at this chart. Okay, I want to show you guys this real quick. Okay, Bitcoin is now on the stage of the final surge, right? So we saw a pullback, pre-rally before halving, reclaim all-time high, and the final surge, right? So understand, guys, okay, we went through the pullback, we went through the pre-rally before halving, reclaim, it's all-time high, and then right after that is going to be the final surge. And this is going to where we see Bitcoin going parabolic, right? Bitcoin's going to enter, pretty much the banana zone, right, where it just skyrockets. Okay, that's the final stage, guys. I mean, we're about to see it, right? We have already seen it. Okay, but this is just the beginning. Understand that, guys. Bitcoin's going to go much, much higher. So I hope you guys are ready for that and understand, right? Bitcoin reaching $200,000 to over $200,000 is, very, very possible. Even $300,000 is very possible as well. There's a lot of predictions out there. People saying, Bitcoin's going to be reaching 400K to 500K. Yes, that is possible, right? Like personally, I do see Bitcoin reaching a minimum price of $200,000. Now, max, the top, I really don't know, but I believe it's going to be over $300,000 and 400K. I think that is very, very possible as well. So we will see, guys. But Bitcoin is about to melt a lot of faces. It's about to shock the world. Trust me, guys. Again, the people that are not buying into Bitcoin right now, they will FOMO in. We always see FOMO, guys. Every single time during, our bull market, we always see a lot of FOMO, right? People like to, buy high and then sell low. When everything's crashing, they panic sell, right? And that's how they basically lose money. Okay, so that is that, guys. Don't be that type of person, right, to buy high and sell low. Okay, you don't want to be that type. Okay, you simply want to buy low and then sell high. Okay, so that is that. But guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. More videos will in fact be coming away, so stay tuned for that. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys all in my next video.